Hello people of the internet, welcome back. So in this video I thought I would just give you a quick tour of my university room where I'm living at the moment. Yeah, so let's get started. I'll turn the camera round. Right, so we are starting here at the door. On the back of my door I have my backpack that I take to lectures every day when I go in. I also have a dressing gown. This is just from Matalan a few years ago. It's not anything special. And then here on a hanger I keep my coats. I have a waterproof, it's not actually that waterproof, but it's like water resistant kind of raincoat from Marks and Spencer's again a couple of years ago. And then underneath I have this green kind of puffer jackety sort of coat that is like warm. And then I have this scarf from Primark. And then let's take you over here. I have some posters on the wall. So this is my academic year poster. This is just a poster I've put over the name of my university so you don't know where I live. The reason I've got so many posters on the wall is because on the door of my bathroom, which is here, there's actually, let's feel, behind this poster, there's like a massive punch mark where whoever was in this room before me must have punched the door and left a massive fist mark in it. So I'm taking inspiration from Shawshank Redemption. I have stuck a poster over it. It's the Tree of Life. It's got animals and plants and everything on it, which is kind of my thing. And then because if you just have one, it looks a bit out of place. So I've got more. The cactus, fossils, plants, mushrooms, geological timescales. Yeah, and then down here I've got my bed with my cuddly toys. This is a squishmallow called Herb. I think he's supposed to be like a tortoise. And I've got a cushion. And this is Hippo. He's one of the Jellycat corduroy toys. I've had him for ages. And then obviously I have my bed. Let me stand back so you can actually see it. Yeah, my bed. The bed sheets are from IKEA a couple of years ago, but I think they still do the same ones if you want those. Not that this is like an interior design video. So next to my bed I have this, which is like nail scissors and stuff. I don't know quite why it's here. My Kindle, eye drops because I get really dry. Well, I get one eye that gets really dry when I sleep. I think it's because I had a Bell's palsy a few years ago. So half of my face, I couldn't move for a month a few years ago. And I don't think that eye closes properly when I'm asleep. I don't know. So I always keep eye drops next to my bed. I also have some different medications, ones that I take every day. And I also have Nytol sleeping tablets there, but sometimes I struggle to sleep. This is just a fan I made out of paper because I got ill a while ago and I got so hot that I made myself a little fan so I could fan myself. And now I've just kind of kept it because who knows when that could come in useful. And then on this bit, I have a wireless phone charger. My phone actually doesn't have wireless charging, but I bought a wireless charging pad thing on Amazon, which converts your phone to charge wirelessly. I also have a little bottle of orange squash. My alarm clock. So all of my wires, I have put these, I got these little clips, you can see there and there, and I use that to trail all the wires because otherwise they're all over everywhere. Because of all of the plug sockets are kind of on the surface. So there's no way to kind of hide the wires. So I've kind of tried to route them as best as I can. One of my alarm clock wire, because the wire is so long, I've kind of coiled it up and then like gaffer taped it to the side. It's not a very elegant way of doing it, but it works. And then under the sides here, I've got a few more things, just kind of random stuff. This jar, this is a little like dehumidifier thing that I use for my cochlear implant and hearing aids overnight to make sure there's no moisture or anything. I did get one from the cochlear implant centre, which was like one that you had to plug into the wall, but I found that one on Amazon, which you don't have to plug in, which I thought would be better since I don't have a lot of plug sockets. Yeah, I've just got that. I don't know if that's as good as the electric ones, but it's better than nothing. Then in this jar, I have all my used old hearing aid batteries. There is battery recycling at my university. This is also a wireless charging pad that I used for something else, but I'm not actually using that at the moment because it wasn't charging properly, so I've just removed it and I use like a regular charger. This is like a 3-in-1 charger. This is my cochlear implant charger. I should probably actually unplug that since it's fully charged and I don't want to damage the battery. So yeah, so that's my cochlear implant charger, and then it's just a micro USB cable, and this has like 3 cables in one. So it's got micro USB, USB-C and lightning for iPhones. I don't actually have anything that uses that lightning plug, but it's handy to have in case anyone might want to borrow a charger. And then my hearing aid's just there. I should probably be wearing it, but I'm not. Then I've got chewing gum, Vaseline, glasses case, lip gloss. Okay, this is my fire alarm system. It's called a deaf alerter, and it has this pager thing that I'm supposed to kind of carry around with me. I've not got it on me at the moment because I was making this video, so I thought you might want to see that. And also I've got my cochlear implant on, so if there was a fire alarm, I would hear it. Again with this, so overnight I place the pager into this cradle thing, the other way around, and it goes in there. And then if the fire alarm goes off at night, this light flashes, and this white wire here that I've routed along the wall goes to under my mattress, and it vibrates to wake me up if there's a fire in the night. And then in the day you carry around this pager and that will vibrate if there's a problem. I accidentally dropped it and I broke the battery compartment, so I've kind of gaffer taped it up the best I can. So hopefully they don't charge me for that. But yeah. Then here I have my desk, and there's my laptop and mouse, and I've got this keyboard, which is really helpful because I'm studying Spanish, and my laptop keyboard doesn't have a numpad, and when you're typing Spanish characters on an English keyboard, the best way to do that is to use the numpad on a keyboard. So I have another keyboard that has a numpad, and it matches the mouse and everything, so that's all nice. I've also got additional monitor, which I got provided free of charge through Disabled Students Allowance, so I'm really grateful for that. And I've got this additional webcam, which I got on Amazon, which is handy because I have to do a lot of Skype calls and stuff, and the one on my laptop is a bit rubbish. I can also use that for filming YouTube videos, so if I ever need to film any videos where I need to use my phone in the video and can't use that as the camera, I'll use that webcam, although I don't think the quality is as good as if I film on my phone. Okay, so my plug sockets here, I have actually, this is like an extension cord that's then plugged in to that actual socket, and I've coiled up the wire and like sellotaped it into a coil, and then I've got bits of gaffer tape that I've kind of rolled up and used to stick the extension cord onto the top of this plastic thing, and that keeps everything a lot neater. And I've got another one here like that where that's stuck on the top, and I also have a printer here so I can use that. And then I've got these shelves which just have like books and various other things on. I've got some more pictures on my pin board up there. This is my wardrobe. I'm not going to show you my clothes in case some weirdo wants to look at my knickers or something. But yeah, so that's just a wardrobe. I've just got clothes in there. In the top, I keep spare bed sheets, towels, that sort of thing. So that's what's in that top bit. Then I've got an ensuite bathroom, very posh. So I have my towel hung up there. This white thing here, this is a hair towel. It's like a microfiber towel that you use to dry your hair. So you can get them from all sorts of places. I think I got that one for Christmas last year. So I use that. Yeah, and that's my bath towel. I keep my makeup bag there. I have a lot of makeup and toilet roll there. And then I keep my cleaning things there and spare toilet roll underneath there. Bathroom bin, hand towel, toilet, shower, yeah, all pretty normal. And I have, great purchase, a floor squeegee, which is really useful for cleaning all of the floor in here and the walls of the shower. It just makes it a bit easier than like getting down your hands and knees and like scrubbing things. So what I normally do is I'll like spray the floor, then put kind of a microfiber cloth on the floor and then I push it around with the squeegee. And that works really well. And then I do the same thing on the walls of the shower as well to keep everything really nice and clean. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.